Hi, I'm Anuja Cambatta, founder of Dragonfly Farm, Ahmedabad. I'm a landscapist, plant stylist, and a bonsai artist. With more than 20 years of experience in plant styling and gardening, there are a few basic rules that I follow while keeping plants indoors for myself and for my clients. The style of my home is rustic modern with a jungalow look. So I like to incorporate a lot of antiques and hand-me-downs from the family along with contemporary accessories. Being a landscapist, I like to add a lot of plants to give the jungle feel. The dining area extends into an open deck, and this is the favorite part of my home. First, I always get very healthy plants. Second, I use planters which are very organic, like ceramic and terracotta. Third, I mist my plants every day to create humidity and to hydrate my plants. Fourth, always buy your plants and garden accessories for someone you trust and a very reliable source.